Welcome to Learning with Jess. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell NFTs on Magic Eden. For this tutorial, you will need to have the Phantom wallet or any other Solana-based wallet downloaded. If you don't already have the Phantom wallet downloaded, I will leave a video link in the description on how to create and set up the Phantom wallet. On the right-hand side, click Select Wallet. I will choose my Phantom wallet. As you can see here, it says this app would like to view my wallet balance and activity and request approval for transactions. Click Connect. Always check what the application requests for you to confirm. Never connect to an application that requests to have access to use your funds. Just be cautious of this. On the right-hand side, you can see that my wallet has now been connected to Magic Eden. If you want to disconnect or use another wallet, just click your address and change it from here. On the home page of Magic Eden, you will be able to explore new collections, see the next NFT launches, as well as popular collections, NFTs that are on auction, featured collections, highest NFT sales in the last 24 hours, and new collections that have launched. On the left-hand side, if you click on the Collections tab, you will have an overview of the most popular collections in the last 7 days, 30 days, or 24 hours. You can also click where it says New to see the latest NFT drops on the Magic Eden website. Magic DAO is an initiative of Magic Eden for the community to create a stronger Solana ecosystem. Being part of the Magic DAO means you can vote on governance aspects, be an advisor, vote on NFT collections, and many other DAO activities. If this is something you would like to be part of, then you would need to purchase a Magic DAO ticket. This is what you should look for in general when it comes to buying an NFT. It should serve some sort of utility for you. Moving on, if you click Launchpad, here's where you'll be able to see the featured NFT launches, live launches, upcoming launches, and launches that have ended. You can see here, for example, Lux Real Estate released 5,000 NFTs that sold for a floor price of 2.5 SOL. If you click where it says Auctions, here you will see singular NFTs where you can place a bid to buy. All you would need to do is press Place Bid and enter the amount of SOL you are willing to bid for the NFT. If no one bids higher than you, then the NFT will be yours at the end of the auction time. If you click on Stats, here you will be able to see the top collections in the last 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. These statistics are good to check up on projects. Eden Games is where you can buy avatars for play-to-earn games. Creators is for if you want to apply for an NFT listing, a launch, or an auction. Community. Here you can view and join the social pages of Magic Eden, like Twitter, Discord, etc. And here you have the help desk and careers available. If you click more, this is interesting, the system status. So if the Magic Eden website is not working or you're having difficulty minting an NFT, you can check out the status and see the system operation. This will give you an insight for if there's something wrong with the website. Tip of advice, before investing into any NFTs, have a checklist to follow, meaning the project should have at least 50,000 followers on Twitter, an active Discord page, a website, a developed game, a roadmap, and transparency of the team behind the project. Most importantly, any NFT you buy should serve you some utility. I will use DeFi Land Seeds as an example. This project has over 100,000 followers on Twitter, an active Discord page, a working beta version of their game, and the NFTs serve a utility in the game. Now, to better understand attributes, let's take SolPunks as an example. To check the attributes of an NFT, you would need to click on the NFT, and here you will be able to see the attributes. Attributes are characteristics the NFT has. The less percentage of attributes shared within the collection the NFT is in, the more valuable it is. For example, for a SolPunk NFT, to check the rarity, you just need to copy the name of the NFT, find the website that has the rarity for it, you can see the rarity rank the specific NFT has within the collection, along with the attributes, characteristics, and the rarity percentage. Let's go ahead and purchase an NFT on Magic Eden. On the top of the page, in the search tab, type in the collection you want. For this tutorial, I will use DeFi land seeds as an example. On the right hand side are links to the project's website and social pages. You can see here the floor price, total volume traded, average sale price, and the total amount of DeFi land NFTs listed. If you click activity, you can see the latest sales, what time they were bought, how much they were bought for, and the mint address that purchased the NFT. If there is a specific NFT you want to buy, you can type in the name here and find it. You can also use this drop-down menu to see prices from high to low, low to high, or recently added. To buy an NFT, click on the NFT. You will be able to see the price history, if any offers were made, the activity of the NFT. At the bottom of the page, you'll also be able to see more from the collection. If you are happy with the NFT you want to buy, you can either buy it now or make an offer. If you want to make an offer, you'd need to enter the amount you want to buy it for. And of course, since it's an offer, it has to be lower than the listing. You just need to click Make Offer, and then it is up to the seller to accept it or not. If you want to buy it now, click Buy Now, and then you'll get a notification from your wallet to approve the transaction. And after you've approved the transaction, you will then be able to see your NFT in your wallet. If you want to sell an NFT, on the right hand side, next to your wallet name, click where it says Sell. Here, you'll be able to see your collections of NFTs, whether you have it on Magic Eden or on-chain, meaning another Solana NFT marketplace. You are also able to see the total floor price of your NFTs. To list an NFT, you just need to click on it, and on the right hand side, you would enter the amount you want to sell it for, and then click List. If you listed any of your NFTs for sale, you can find them here on listed items. If anyone made an offer of any of your listed NFTs, you'll be able to see it here. The offers you have received for any of your listed NFTs. And finally, your recent activity is where you will be able to see all the NFTs you bought, listed. In general, it's your history. Now, you should know how to navigate through the Magic Eden website. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.